Hello everyone. Today is the topic of margin of safety. What do you mean by margin of safety? Margin of safety means profitability or soundness of the business. It indicates what is the profit of the business. These can be calculated in four conditions, and there are four formulas of margin of safety in different stages. First formula is margin of safety. If we want to calculate in units term, then its formula is actual sales minus break-even point in units. Both terms it should be in units term. If we want to calculate in rupees term, so margin of safety in rupees equal to actual sales in rupees minus break-even point or break-even sales in rupees term. Then percentage margin of safety. If we want to calculate in terms of percentage, then its formula is margin of safety given or we calculate it divided by actual sales multiply 100. This margin of safety in terms of rupees. And the last formula is margin of safety equal to, if these data are given, 1 minus break even sales or break even point divided by actual sales multiply 100. By the help of these formula, any one formula we can apply it, and we can calculate margin of safety. Now for proper understand of margin of safety, we will apply it by the help of questions. Now we applied it in the question. Here is a question. By the help of this question, we can easily understand of margin of safety, how this calculate. The question is, the sales of a company is rupees 1 lakh, sales is given, profit rupees 30,000 and fixed cost rupees 10,000. Calculate margin of safety and percentage margin of safety. In this question, sales given, profit given, fixed cost given, but variable cost is not given. But our formula margin of safety is actual sales minus break even point. Here sales is given but break even point is not given. For break even point we need variable cost. First we will calculate variable cost. Variable cost we will calculate by the help of marginal costing formula. S minus V equal to F plus P. S minus V, it means 1 lakh minus variable cost we don't know, fixed cost 10,000 plus 30,000, then 40. It means variable cost equal to 60,000 rupees. Now we can apply formula. Margin of safety, actual sales minus break even sales. Now we need break even sales. Here are profit is given and sales is given, and sales is not in per unit given and variable not per unit given. These items are in lump sum amount. So we will apply break even sales only in rupees term. But we will not take in profit, because profit it is mandatory. It should be in terms of desired, it should be in terms of required, but this is naturally given, so we will not apply the formula of profit. We only apply the formula of fixed cost upon S minus V multiply S. We will not take profit because this is not desired profit. Then we will put the values. Fixed cost 10,000, sales 1 lakh minus variable 60,000 multiply again 1 lakh. Then we will solve this. 10,000 divided by 40,000 multiply 1 lakh. It means 25,000 rupees is break-even sales. Now we will put the values in that formula. Margin of safety MOS equal to actual sales. Actual sales given 1 lakh rupees minus break-even sales 25,000 rupees. Now margin safety in rupees is 75,000. First answer is given. Then percentage margin of safety formula is margin of safety upon sales, actual sales multiply 100. Then we will put the values. Margin of safety 75,000 divided by actual sales 1 lakh multiply 100. It means 75%. So our answer is margin of safety in rupees 75,000 and in percentage it is 75%.